Good Monday afternoon, everyone. Welcome to GardenStateWeather.com, GardenStateWeather.blogspot.com, Twitter at GardenStateWX, here on YouTube as Garden State Weather, and also on Facebook as Garden State Weather. Well, here's our low off of New England and Nova Scotia here this afternoon, and we still have a bit of a trough access coming through, a couple of short waves on it. And the temperatures and the sky conditions are basically stratocumulus this afternoon. Here was the ocean snow getting out of here, and then, of course, our trough access coming in. We had some snow showers, light, very light, dusting. I was on the road this afternoon, late this morning, early afternoon, as some of these snow flurries came down. Mostly looked like graupel, actually, to me. And now that is extending out into Monmouth County and south into the ocean here, south of New York City and Long Island, as that trough access passes off the coast. And from Rutgers this afternoon at 1:25, temperatures are again in the 30s to lower 40s throughout most of the area. It's quite chilly, and the winds have picked up too, obviously with that cold air advection over the top of us, and it makes it feel like it's in the 30s here across most, if not all, of the New Jersey, New York City I-95 corridor metropolitan area. High pressure is eventually building in to the area, and pressures are beginning to rise a little bit. Let's take a look at the radar. We just showed you those snow showers that just passed off the coast, and if we can hone in on this, shows you that graupel or snow shower activity that is exiting the coast here south of Long Island and the city and over Monmouth this afternoon. Visible satellite this afternoon, lots of striations to the cold air advective clouds here from off the Great Lakes into Pennsylvania. These are stratocumulus clouds here across New York and northern New Jersey, scattered about with some graupel or maybe just a little bit of wet snowflake mixed in. Up and close here with the national hazards here for the New Jersey, New York City area. Small craft advisories again in effect until midnight tonight. And this is for northwest winds at 15 to 20 knots, gust up to 25 knots, and seas 3 to 5 feet. And that really just extends all the way along the south shore and east ends of Long Island, all the way down to the back bays of the Delaware. Minimum temperatures this morning again in the 20s. Let's see if we can hover over this. Sandyston probably at 22 in the valley there in Sussex. Let's see if that comes up. Yeah, Sandyston down to 22 this morning. You can see temperatures bottomed out into the upper 20s to low and mid 30s across the region. Nice depiction here of the stratocumulus clouds here over northwestern New Jersey and the New York City metropolitan area as that cold air advection builds in. What's the other thing? I wanted to look at the water vapor channel. And it's going to tell us exactly where things are standing right now. And there's still plenty of, where'd that go? Here we go. Plenty of low-level, mid-level moisture here in the atmosphere. Composite radar, again, not going to show too much except for that graupel or snow shower activity that we just showed you, which is exiting off the coast right now. And then downwind the Great Lakes here, some snow showers as well. Low-level water vapor channel here shows dry sinking air here occurring over southern Connecticut now and into Long Island and the city and offshore. But there's still a couple of short waves here. If we overlaid the low-level water vapor with the 500 millibar RAP analysis, you can see we still have a couple of vortexes working through the area on the northwest flow, but mostly sustainably dry air here. If we got to the mid-levels of the atmosphere and overlaid this, same kind of configuration. So there is still available moisture here, but it's being wrung out very quickly. Back to the visible channel we go, and here are the wind gusts coming in at 15, 20, 25 mile per hour wind gust across the area, still basically in the upper teens to 20, and that's making things feel quite chilly here this afternoon. For the short term now, we're going to use the NAM model guidance here off the 12Z run on this Monday. And again, downwind the lakes, a few snowflakes here, a few snow showers. This looks interesting for Tuesday. From Port Huron through Erie through Pittsburgh, and then eventually some of this bleeding into the northern mid-Atlantic here on Tuesday morning into Tuesday afternoon. Interior sections here could see some light snow again under this domain. Highest accumulations of anything would be here over the highest elevations, about 700 feet or higher. That waxes and wanes. And then as we get, lake effect snows again on the northwest flow, then turning westerly, and here comes the next batch of precipitation over southern New Jersey and the Delmarva on Wednesday and Thursday too. So this takes us out to Wednesday night actually. But this here would be interesting for Thursday with the frontal passage being on the warm side. And we'll take a look at the 2-meter temperatures here. Maximum temperature. So any kind of precipitation that comes in on Tuesday here could support some snow. Yeah, especially over the higher elevations here of the Poconos in northwestern New Jersey. Not much though. And then the temperatures moderate as we head into Wednesday afternoon, and Thursday is still chilly, but it is definitely a moderation ahead of the batch of rainfall that will be coming through here with the next cold front here on Thursday, which the model guidance is not showing because this is up to 60 hours now. Off the NAM model guidance through Wednesday night at 60 hours here. Northwest Jersey, parts of the Poconos here, a trace to maybe a couple of hundredths of an inch on cold surfaces here. That's the most. That's a different story as we head into next weekend. Next week, actually. Off the NAM model guidance, not much going on until we get into tomorrow morning. There could be some warm air advective rain showers here from Mount Pocono through Trenton down to Atlantic City on the NAM model guidance, changing over to snow across the Poconos from Williamsport to Allentown to Mount Pocono into Sussex and also northwestern New Jersey here. But that dries out as it moves off the coast, and any rain showers here along the New Jersey coast dry out too. And outside of that, through Wednesday night, warm air advection takes hold, and there could be a few passing short waves here with a few rain showers along them, and especially through southern New Jersey on Wednesday afternoon and Wednesday evening. And that's going to set the stage up for more rain showers here on Thursday, but this model guidance only goes out to Wednesday night.